obienu a waka se King Paluta ya ade ye nyina say King Paluta anya ade artist ben or ti say odru or ba ne first year second year no antimi organizing the show abrochire momra bonti mebo artist coding artist ben no wa hit or Ghana or start ye na the first year or two otimi organizing show abrochire no organizing show abrochire aya munya sa da yi no munya sa bias kana commentary no sa nsem bi se ne betan na ye kan obi ase support we ne tan we na say ni say mo kasa munya fair Ghana artist bienwa or hit ye first year second year on what team organizing the show e wa broche e bi ni ho mo panipa ko mo fa ne mrabonten Ghanaian artist ben or hit ye to say why ye underground 15 years or hit onya the first hit on what team organizing the event for broche organizing the winter mo fa ne mrabonten munya mfuto na mutugu amanfo ani no sa days na traditional media nkwana na dey control narrative na twamo mo kasa mo nka nokre obienu a okasa King Paluta ya ade King Paluta anya ade eno de ye nyina ye gitum ba mo nka nokre no mo nka asem ne te se de esitie na bias ne ya doso adan King Paluta wanya hit bi ma na eden enkwan ye den na ye den King Paluta wan hit bi ma obekọ so wanya hit song bi ma obekọ Nyon kwani artist a sabi oba ya oye kese a yetu ye nisi ni so a ye end the career nyon kwa no too much no dia mo ye na onti ase mi hu environment akoye yiyi mu ase we free Kumasi yen support no Kumasi ni page ase obede what's the meaning of all these things Bonnie ben kwa na King Paluta aye osi oja stage no obi ebubu na ni chie anamonya akanfo ye kaso obi bu obi ani chia momote ase obi bu obi ani chie no that phrase no wote ase akani bi anim ani chie meaning ani chie se wo ya de obi gina odi na ani ye bibi wote ase it goes beyond say that literal meaning na mafa it goes beyond that besides wanya de but in some na mo kan gu na bra boss no eye too bias Okwa sobeko. Aden King Paluta nya hit. Owu ya na so ye den. O turn underground 15 years e change den. And change she. E betuma say 1 or 2 years a King Paluta enya hit song wi. Ni a King Paluta person ye owiase nyina kwa wa ye wi. Wanya hit bi ma obeko owu obeko. No nkwa no abenya hit songs a wanya bi ma se bi enye news. Se nipa ba ko pe no onye na Bonah boy kraso Bonah boy ko te Bonah boy etola bia nyankopon nhira nipa bi ko se the Ghana for is ye pese nipa ba ko pe na ye challenge nyankopon adwene ye different no nyankopon se do si dwene ema obia ne ni destiny odi na wiase o me se betima ba se wo dofo no ebi kura nyame kura nim no enye ono na ye nyame favorite ebi a wo tamfo nyame dofo no baby any o make ka kono mo nye fair because and disrespect artists Ghanaian artists fans ebi ni King Paluta ye artist timiko stage no ato microphone akone on perform mpo no twa fom nyina so no okọ but a process unya ketwa no wa fom King Paluta ba dabenya ye chensere nya basa King Paluta oba daben Uyi King Paluta underground days free man. King Paluta hit e kra no. Eni 3 years impo. King Paluta onye dey bi. De boni ben kwan why. Wa fom e wi asem panifo so badun so gu na so a ubetwa na so ba ene den. E ye fom no wa fom. Kasa bebre ye.
Empress. King Paluta asemidi. I think the last time you need share Jumedi issue. A lot of issues ba up. And for sending messages say none kasa ni bi wo a omo ne say you as a hand time bi wo mu and so share bi ehun hia epie mu ne ade but me response am dem omo ne say talented people be pen pia no me complicated obi wo aduma chede bia said ya wo feel say so fa kwan bi so toten de kono enye sa na obenya ne de bia and bu wa he oni nkofo bia ya adwuma sa onim some talented sometimes no it's not the what you expect of them nana etimi ebasa But however, we are complicated no. Maybe I'll be gina be was a woman emotional intelligence. It was a woman wajene. Anyone dibu a dead juma woody. And that wasn't what we saw there. Miss Matsasia dream how and nichi it me cause upsets my artist to a stage so. Matasa Simon Jones says Sabio, say eyelashes na nipa ni no. Ya abofo ataba mpo na ejeje pra. Any day the neighbor could do stage in the swama ashe we before to that level ana. Kwabna kasa no say was so focused on the craft so. Who dey wish performance you koye Empress. Say ya dia wa hihye pa say me ne me band bia rehearse eduru ha metwa ma crowd na mo mato kakra ana say eduru ha meba mu sei me kwakosesa me ho a me what is wo craft yi a ubenya adaja didi ni patema na wo artist na ugina nkasa busa ho sese ye ma 1 hour say mayen back to back enyom hihye set piece for 1 hour ubenya no what I'm saying is ubenya ne sana. It tells you say UK for no a certain level of acceptability be any kwan say we did diago because a juma we aye who timi twem because ye sha say na ye Ashanti International na King na Queen Exdo Chicago Mugreso. So for somebody like Samini Kran, he was also in that era. So for him to be consistent to this high level, we know. Enya dia eda for me also di diagro. Ejuma amuye ne de biano. Insurance be anymore. What we say what perform you say unless one kasa na beti bibia to ho no ntinto obi ani wo abeka say oh me insurance be me 60 years I'll fall on it. That is why everywhere I will be gina bia na we say we making sure say we deliver na waji usika na fe we media head we say we this week ya interview event organizer no and I blame on no so and I want to say either say osroking Paluta no and say ne stardom ni hu and atone so yebusa lady ni say eba ne sign na asem we ko see ye efri na no akim Paluta wo feelings into so gina stage so na so bi ye ne bibia on pa or ho kwan say or best out no okasa and I'm say are you serious no I heard her or sing wo feelings into bi ka bibi na say twina or ho kwan say oyi ano and I'm like
nipa ni ka bibi
and I'm like oh yeah coward and no I meet interview no
or say she said that the akim Paluta ye enye but otiase say our feelings
into no
but no but enye hona e we say best out here
the interview I meet here I listened to the lady also our feelings and you know for you an event organizer be seen na wuntimi fa statement cram bambeto out and dispel lady awoye say me Akim Paluta na meet you say oh ofo say dem ye ni but me your feelings menjina but me your feelings ne so na man justify me actions e wo stage ne so nti ade enye you condemn it and for any clause bi ameta to e ma ni look it say e normal e okay so be ye dia oye no and UK for no aso abrante so I always say they go through thick and thin to organize shows no I don't think so no go through that yeah TGM debate no one of the things I dey train I say and they say when timi organize on one kasani show. And Empress, so wow should now go through or how now getting 200 people, 300 people together in your name, no, and you're the kitwa. And I have a have a way. So we are not say UK market ne poor Paluta, a bay ding to sell out anywhere abroad. A bay so difficult for you because UK market no exactly. UK market no bibi bia and shut down so bebre
na so mu pie ba
all attempted. We have some of the artists who call around during winter time and people still showed up opa on tribe no organize your non kasani show no share the difficulty putting people together together wudi na wudi ni chiempo ni na ye ka samini there to 2 bottles na there bo na nkade na nka obeye. It was totally unnecessary and by now he should have released a statement to that effect but some judge from Senana or Tiena or the betina hanum say any a few utterances are why even against Nkofa or more born from sad trenches now till now I can say a betina say I expect apology no sir and so nya dia ebeba
se wo akwantuo mu wo abrochire na o send sika ko Ghana mama nkan for Lemfi money transfer amount on say your dollar rate ni euros ni pounds say asay nemom say wo ye transfer na o pedie ni exchange rate e was ro pa kese dia medofo e lemfi eni ji se me wo ni say o your first transaction na u use the promo code and I say referral code Bonah medofo o America and Canada now send you first $100 and I say first $100 Canadian dollars medofo amount $20 cashback. And I don't know more Europe, no Germany, Italy, France, and then important money. No, your first transaction here €50 amount €15 cashback. And I don't know more UK, so your first £50 amount £10 cashback. And I say America. Na opese wo shipe onioma e de koma busuan for Ghana na wa umu no udi dwuma bi na mo opese ode onioma ni free America e ko Ghana eni gi sama me de nam eye Box Oak Logistics omu ye door to door shipping company ofru ma ka chom say enam the BonahShow so and our tea omunka o match 10% discount ana ofri akwantum so na ko Ghana na obepe ba bia da e wokumase a edin no eye ba kope Pikash Properties Pikash so ufru makachum say and the BonahShow so now te omunka almost o 10% discount.